nice? Look at all this nature out here. Hi, welcome back to Talk Time. I'm your host, and today we're out here in nature. This grass here is the North American short grass. And behind me you can see the North American long grass. They're very common here in North America. Look at it. Look at it go. You guys see that? Dude! Oh. I thought it was a goblin. It's not a goblin, it's a fire hydrant. Frick. Look at this woods. This is great habitat for goblins, ghouls, squirrels, and chipmunks. You know, Alvin and the Chipmunks. Shipwrecked. It's a good one. Let's take a gander in here. Look at all this. Look at all these plants. Wow. Let's take a gander. Oh, it's the North American tall tree. Dude, that's a rare find out here. Really rare. North American tall tree. You don't see one of those babies every day. Dude, is that a goblin? Dude. No, it's not a goblin. It's just a big tree. As you know, the grass is edible. It's a very nutritious food. I don't think it's edible, guys.